Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Dude, that's insane. That's freaking awesome.
I was making a video. What's going on, man?
Yeah, man, you good, brother?
Let's check them out.
What
was in here?
4 TS NS18s on 2 M4s. All the mids and highs are McLaren.
Are these strapped or?
They're strapped at half ohm.
Half ohm, okay.
Yeah,
What, they're electrical?
I got a Limitless 45AH on a Mclaren 320.
320? All right. Awesome. Have you metered it?
It does a 56.2.
Awesome. And what is it tuned to?
It's tuned to 36.
36?
I peak at 42.
Okay. All right.
Yellow.
You can't even get in.
Dude, that's insane.
Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that.
Balls are meant to be blown.
That'll make you sneeze. Sorry. Awesome, man. Thank you. What was your name?
Greg Stone.
Greg Stone. Jacob. All right. Thank you, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.